The ExactBlue Very Sensitive Enhancer Kit is a concentration kit designed for use with the ExactBlue mobile lab or with the ExactBlue EZ limit tests for the detection of E. coli or total coliform bacteria. The kit includes consumable for 25 tests, one 50 milliliter syringe, 25 cell trap filters used to concentrate bacteria, and 25 vials of backwash solution in which the bacteria cell are collected for testing. The use of the ExactBlue Very Sensitive Enhancer Kit reduces the detection limit to 1 colony forming unit per 100 milliliters. The sample preparation procedure. Attach a cell trap filter to the 50 milliliter syringe, then prepare the water sample. Make sure the sample is collected in a clean, disposable or sterile reusable container and exceeds 100 milliliters of water. If needed, prepare a waste collection container. Draw in the water sample from your sampling container to fill the syringe. This process should take up 60 seconds. Once the syringe is filled with water up to the 50 milliliter mark, remove the filter and empty the water collected in the syringe into a waste container, then reattach the filter while maintaining an upright position to avoid water dropping out of the tip of the filter. Repeat the process one more time. After the syringe is emptied the second time, reattach the filter and open the backwash vial. Insert the tip of the filter into the vial and draw in and push back the solution into the vial at least 3 times, slowly, to avoid spilling any water sample. Then recap the vial and prepare the next steps in the testing procedure. The ExactBlue EZ coliform test kit is designed to be used as a limit test, with or without concentration kit. When used with the concentration kit, the test has a detection limit of 1 colony forming unit per 100 milliliters in 24 hours at room temperature, or 8 hours when incubated at 95 to 115 Fahrenheit degrees. The test is very easy to use. Just open the cap, add the water sample, close the vial back, and shake well. Then let the test incubate for the desired time. Do not worry if the media is not fully dissolved at the beginning of incubation. It will fully dissolve over the incubation time even without shaking it again. After incubation, remove the colored pin that hold the cap and completely turn the cap clockwise until all the liquid in the cap is released. Shake well and wait another 15 minutes. If the vial maintains its yellow color, the test is negative. No coliform bacteria is detected. If the color of the solution changes from yellow to dark orange or brown, coliform bacteria have been detected at levels above the detection limit, and the test is positive.